everyone, I'm Kyle, and this is Jack with Roggenkamp Racing. We're here with Dennis Kirk today, improving the traction on the Sled Check giveaway sled. We're going to dive into the front suspension, replace some bushings and ball joints, so let's get after it. All right, so the first step is taking the control arm off. We've got to access the bushings. Next, we're removing the ball joint, which is pretty worn out on this particular snowmobile. And in order to get the control arm off, we need to take the upper shock mount out. We've noticed that's loose as well, so we're going to go ahead and replace that at the same time. In order to get the ball joint out of the control arm, we need to use a press. So we're pressing this out. All right, and so to this point, we've got new ball joint, new bushings from the OE, so we're ready to start putting this back together so we can get this sled back on the trail.
Now let's talk skis. We're going to be using CNA Pros just like we do on the racetrack. This is a snowcross ski. It's a wider ski with a deeper keel, and that'll give you the perfect amount of bite on the snowcross track. But that's not what we want to run on the trail. We're going to want to run this ski on the trail. It's a narrower ski with a shallower keel. That'll give you the perfect amount of bite on the trail, and that's what we have on this sled here. Carbides go on the bottom of the ski to improve your traction. We've chosen these Woody's 6-inch carbides. So now let's get started. I'm going to remove these 4 nuts. How do these look, Dad?
They're not too bad. They're not at end of life, but I think it's time to replace them. Well, we think we've got this traction dialed for this Indy 600. We're going to go try it out. Tune in next time to see what we tackle next.